Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Bolt EUV. We'll cover everything from the basics of plugging in to optimizing your charging routine. You'll learn about the three main charging levels, the specific connectors used, and how to make the most of both home and public charging options. By the end, you'll feel confident managing your electric vehicle's power needs, ensuring you're always ready for your next journey. For everyday convenience, home charging is key. Level 1 uses a standard wall outlet, adding about 4 miles of range per hour, perfect for overnight top-ups. Level 2, however, is much faster, requiring a 240-volt circuit. This can add approximately 25 miles of range per hour, fully charging your Bolt EUV in about 7 to 8 hours. It's ideal for daily driving and ensures your vehicle is ready each morning. When you're on the road and need a quick boost, DC fast charging is your best friend. This powerful option uses a specialized CCS combo connector and can add a substantial amount of range in a short time. For instance, you can gain up to 95 miles of range in about 30 minutes, making it perfect for longer journeys or when time is of the essence. Public fast chargers are widely available along major routes. To get the most out of your Bolt EUV charging, consider a few smart practices. Schedule your charging during off-peak hours to save money on electricity costs. For optimal battery longevity, try to keep your charge level between 20% and 80% for daily driving. When planning longer trips, use your vehicle's navigation or a dedicated app to locate charging stations along your route, ensuring a smooth journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.